Welcome back, and I'm Maful here. In this video, I will walk you through how to log in and get to know with WrappedBy Dashboard. To begin your journey with Wrapped, start by heading over to our website at www.wrappedby.com. Once you are on the home page, look in the top right corner and click on Sign In. And please note that for now, Wrapped only supports login with GitHub. Click Login with GitHub and follow the instruction to authenticate WrappedBy with your GitHub account. Once the authentication is successful, you'll be greeted with a Wrapped dashboard just like this. As a new user, your dashboard might appear blank initially, but fear not, we are here to guide you through it. Inside the Wrapped dashboard, you'll find three essential menus to help you manage your application seamlessly. The first menu is Servers. Here, you can oversee your server, whether they are custom servers or ones provided by your favorite cloud provider. The Server section allows you to create servers, delete them, and configure databases on the server. We will delve deeper into server management in upcoming video. Moving on the Projects menu. Think of this as your hub for application. Every application you deploy with Wrapped will be listed here. You can create a new project by importing a repository from GitHub. Additionally, you can configure application metadata such as Ruby version, Node.js version, and environment variable. Trust me, it's incredibly easy to set up your application with Wrapped. And that's not all. In the project, you can configure project jobs, add custom domain, and redeploy from any point in your application, among many other exciting features. Stay tuned for detailed tutorial on everything you need to know about project. Our final menu is Activity. Although it might currently appear empty, however, expect this section to come to life in the next 2 weeks. The Activity page will provide a comprehensive overview of all your action within Wrapped, whether you are creating server, project, or renaming them. You'll find a detailed record of everything you do right here in the Activity page. One more thing to note is the settings. By default, your name here is pulled from your GitHub account, but you can customize it to your preference. Choose a name or display name that makes you comfortable. Now in the sidebar, you will notice some other exciting features like cloud providers, SSH keys, and billing. These are currently in progress and will be available soon to enhance your experience. That wraps up to our introduction to the Wrapped dashboard. I hope this overview has given you a clear picture of what to expect. See you in the next one.